In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create slicers in Power BI. Slicers are one of the simplest ways to let people interact with your report, narrowing down the data they see with a quick click. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to add a slicer to a page and fine-tune how it behaves and looks. Start by opening your Power BI app on your desktop. Once it's up, head to one of your existing reports. You'll be working directly on the report canvas, so make sure you're on the page where you want filtering to happen. Look over to the right side of the screen for the visualizations pane. This panel houses all the visuals you can add. Find and click the slicer icon. As soon as you click it, an empty slicer will appear on your canvas, ready to be configured. Now decide what you want people to filter by. In the fields list, drag the field you want into the field area of the slicer visual. This might be something like category, region, product, or a date field, depending on your data model. As soon as you drop the field in, the slicer will populate with values from that column. If you're choosing a field with a lot of unique values, keep in mind that it might be more usable as a drop-down rather than a long list. With the slicer in place, it's time to configure how it looks and behaves. Go to the Format Visual panel on the right. Under that, open Slicer Settings. Here, you'll choose a style that matches your scenario. A vertical list is great when you have just a handful of values and want them visible at a glance. Tile mode presents options as clickable buttons, which can be visually appealing and easy to tap. A drop-down conserves space and works well when you have many values, keeping your report clean and uncluttered. While you're still in slicer settings, decide whether users should select a single value or multiple values. Single selection is ideal when the report should focus on one choice at a time, like a single region. Multiple selection lets users analyze combinations, such as several product lines together. Think about the decisions your audience needs to make and choose the option that best supports that flow. That's it. You've opened your report, added a slicer from the visualizations pane, assigned a field, and configured the style and selection behavior. Save your report and test a few selections to see the impact across your visuals. With these settings, you'll make your Power BI report far more interactive and easier to explore.